it is December 30th today. It's currently 8 a.m. Welcome to vlog number 6, I think this is. So what did you guys think of vlog number 5? I'm sorry that it was super long. I ended up combining what was meant to be vlog 5 and 6 together to make vlog 5, just because I was knackered the other day and couldn't edit and get it up, so I just combined them together. Don't forget to let me know what you do and don't like in the vlogs, because I'm learning vlogging with you guys, so I'd appreciate any advice at all. So yeah, not much planned this morning. It's already 30 degrees here and it's 8 a.m. It's meant to be 39 today, so I'm not looking forward to that. We try not to do too much when it is a really hot day, like we stay inside and do chores inside. We don't go outside. So Morgan's not working today because of the heat. Yeah, don't really have much planned. I had a really bad sleep last night because of this allergic reaction on my neck. I don't know what it's from. Hey guys, so it is 9:15 now. I just watched Nikki Tutorial's Layers of Me. I have YouTube Premium, so I was able to watch all 4 episodes, and wow, she is amazing. I've actually watched her like years and years and years ago. I reckon like a decade ago almost. I would watch some videos of her, but I didn't really start following her until I really got into makeup. So like I only watch like a few videos every now and then of hers, but now I watch like every single video of hers, and watching this was a bit of an emotional roller coaster. I felt like as I was going through it with her, but it brought up some like emotions for me as well, like the episode where she's lost her little brother. Obviously I lost my mum to cancer as well, so that was a bit emotional, but she's amazing, and if you haven't watched it, I recommend going and watching it. Hey guys, so it is 5:35. We are having a movie night tonight, so I've just set up. We're just trying to choose a movie on Amazon and Google Movies. But I'll just show you what I've quickly set up. We're doing like gold class movies, but on a budget. So we got popcorn, crackers, salami, strawberries, some shortbread, cheese, some dip and things to pop in the dip. Then we got our treat section over here. So I probably won't check in again tonight now. Probably chat to you guys tomorrow. So bye. Everyone, happy last day of 2020. It is the 31st of December right now. I'm not really doing too much. It's actually 1 p.m. Just about to do the dishes from last night. We didn't have too many. I just had the platter from last night. So I'm just gonna pop them in the dishwasher, and then I'll probably leave it and add tonight's dinner dishes in it before I actually turn it on. But we had a real chill night last night. We did a movie night, so I can't remember what it's called, but it's a new movie. It was very long and very intense. I'll add the name of the movie to the screen because yeah, I can't remember for the life of me what it was called. But we watched that movie and we tried watching it to start off with, got about 35 minutes into the movie, and we were just both getting so frustrated because we couldn't understand what was going on, because the talking was like such a low level that we couldn't hear them to be able to understand them. So we ended up restarting it from the start and adding on subtitles, and thank goodness we finally was able to understand what was being said and understand the movie then. But it was it's pretty intense. It was like it kept you going through the whole movie, like you couldn't really foresee exactly what was gonna happen. So yeah, it's a pretty good movie. We just did like cold platter for dinner last night. I did some like popcorn as well. I think I added a clip of that in. Okay, so super quick, this is draft number 1 for my new intro. Short and sweet. So I've sent it to a few people and just gonna see what they say, and then I'll probably do another little edit before I publish the official one. So I think I've just done my outro as well. So first look at it, first draft. So basically on YouTube, I pop in here like my last uploaded video, a recommended video from my channel for you guys. And then my little picture goes in here so you can click on it to subscribe. Hey guys, so it is 6 p.m. now. I have been working on my intro and outro for 5 hours straight now, I think. I wasn't planning to work on it for that long, but I just wanted to get them nice, and I was just playing around. I created a few different versions. So I think I'm going to go with what I've got for my outro, and I think for my intro I made a quick change. I made my picture a little bit bigger and my channel name Pure Lottie a little bit bigger. So I think that's the final draft of it. I still have to work on my banner and my logo again, because yeah, I'm just changing it for 2021, just making it a little bit nicer now that I've done, you know, almost a year's worth of like editing and stuff. I've learned a lot more, so I just want to play around and get it a little bit nicer. But I think Morgan's going to be home soon, so I think I'm going to start cooking dinner. I didn't get time to take down the Christmas tree because I spent all that time editing, so that might have to be a tomorrow job now. Hey guys, thought I'd do our last check-in for 2020. We're already in bed. It's 10 p.m. now. Clock over there isn't working, as we just realized. It's saying 10:30, but it's definitely 10 p.m. We've just had a quiet night. We watched a movie. What was it called again?
Mystic River.
Mystic River is the movie we watched. He just told me and I already forgot. I made homemade chicken, mushroom, bacon, carbonara for dinner. So we had that, but it's just a quiet night in because Morgan's still working tomorrow. And yeah, we'll celebrate another year. So we're not going to stay awake till midnight. It's already midnight in the eastern states and it's about to hit midnight in Queensland, so I think that's enough staying awake for us, especially when we get up early because I work Queensland hours, so I think that works for me. But yes, I thought I would say goodbye 2020, and the next time I'll check in it will be a new year. So not setting any real thing like resolutions or anything for 2021. I just hope that 2021 we can go back to some sort of normalcy. Fingers crossed. So I will chat to you guys next year. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to 2021. So today is the 1st of January. It's currently 12 noon. So starting out today, this morning I just had breakfast, watched a bit of YouTube, finished all my editing and got today's video up. So I have had a busy morning already. I've now just gotten ready for the day, and I think I'm gonna pop the Christmas tree away today, so I'll bring you along on that. But otherwise, not doing too much. Morgan's playing PlayStation, decided not to go to work today. It's way too hot out there already. By the way, I am kneeling on the floor because Morgan's stolen my chair to play PlayStation in our bedroom. That's why I'm down low. Hey guys, so we're just heading to bed, so I'll check out for the night. We had a very productive day today. All the Christmas decors all sorted and organised and put away. I did a bit of moving stuff around, cooked dinner, dishes are on at the moment, that's what you can hear. So we're just heading to bed. It is 10 p.m. now, so we're gonna go to bed because Morgan wants to work tomorrow. So I will check in tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is the 2nd of January today. Hello Morgan. It is actually 12:30 now. I've had a super chilled morning. I don't think I got up until like 8:30, 9 a.m. ish, I think. So I had a nice sleep in. Just chilling on the couch with the fur babies. We're watching a movie. We're watching Get Hard. It's the one where the guy tries to learn how to like live in jail because he's going to jail. He's got 30 days to get his affairs in order before he goes to jail. So yeah, watching that at the moment. We started it last night but we didn't finish it. I've already had my lunch and everything. Don't really have much planned for today. My hot flushes have been really bad, so just put the aircon on to cool down. I don't think I've done a check-in today. It's actually almost 7 p.m. It's January the 2nd. Sorry, I've been quite lazy today. My hot flushes have been out of control. So I've been trying to sit under the aircon pretty much all day today. I haven't really done much, just had a bit of a chilled day today. Watched YouTube quite a bit. I went through some of my recipe books and marked some recipes that I want to try in the next few weeks. So that took me a little while, but I just wanted to try a few different recipes, switch some dinners around and not have the same boring dinners all the time. I think we watched a movie earlier. Morgan and I watched a movie. Just cooking dinner now. Funny story actually. We were on chicken duty for Christmas at my family's place and we brought cooked chicken from Red Rooster as we'd been asked, and it was 2 chickens cut into 8s, and we brought them the night before because we were leaving super early the next day, and the Red Rooster that's local to us wasn't opening until I think it was like 10 a.m. maybe. so we wouldn't have been able to get it because we were planning to leave at 7 a.m. So we get halfway to my grandparents' place and realized we left the chicken in the fridge at home. So we had to buy new chickens. Luckily, where we were, there was a Red Rooster on the way from where we were to my grandparents that actually opened at, it was 8 a.m. It was like special Christmas hours or something, I think. So we were able to get it from there. But we had 2 perfectly good chickens in the fridge at home. So Morgan's mum has keys to our place, so I sent her a message and asked if she could go to our place and eat the chickens or something. So she wrapped them up and popped them in the freezer and told me to make a chicken casserole out of them. So that's what I'm doing today. They've been in the freezer for the last week. So today I pulled them out and yeah, I've got a chicken casserole cooking at the moment. It says to like serve it with like rice or pasta or mashed potato. I have no idea what to serve it with, so I'm making some pasta for it to go on. I don't know if it's going to taste good or not. It said you can eat it by itself as well, so I guess we'll try it both ways and see which way we like. I've never actually made a creamy chicken casserole, so this one is like creamy chicken mushroom. I think that's what it was. It's got like onion in it as well and cream and stuff, so yeah. So, one last clip. We're playing pool. I've won 2 games so far. We're on our 3rd game. And I might kick his ass again. Let's see. Because I never win, so I'm loving it. So, he won because I let him. So we're doing another game. So he won again. So we're now on 2-2. So we're doing a tiebreaker. I'm gonna kick your ass, Morgan. So I won! He sunk the black ball on the 2nd go. Oops. So winner here. Winner, chicken dinner. Morgan sucks. I don't normally win pool, so I'm loving it. All right, back to my outro now. So I'm probably gonna end the vlogs out here because I'll be posting this vlog tomorrow on Sunday. So I think I'll end it so I can start editing it tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And what do you guys think of my new intro and outro, my little banner and my little profile picture? Do you guys like it? Is it good now? I think it's a big step up from what I did have. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that as well. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.